Hey Tinkers, my name is Natalia and today I'm going to show a very special Christmas card which looks like this. So it's a calendar and a Peekaboo card, and when you open the small doors in the card, it reveals a secret inside of it. Now here's what you need to create this card. Take one of your cards and place it on some regular piece of paper and then sketch around it. Within this rectangle, sketch an image you like, or you can print an image and then attach it onto this rectangle. Cut your image out, then turn it around and sketch all over it. Then place your image on top of the card, secure it with a piece of tape so it doesn't slide around when you're sketching. And resketch everything on the image onto the card. This is a way of transferring an image, but you can just skip this part if you've just found an image online. Gently remove the image from the card, resketch the image on the card so you know where to color later on. Place your image on top of the back piece or the other card, secure it with the same piece of tape, and then repeat the same sketching process. This will become very helpful later on. If you found an image online, just print it twice and then attach it onto the second card. It's time to decorate the card or the front piece, and you completely decide the looks and the colors of it. Continue decorating and adding details to your card until you're happy with the way it looks. We need to create some openings or doors for the card, so create some smaller rectangles like this all over your card. And you decide the numbers of doors you want to add on your card. Take your ruler and your box cutter and open 3 sides of the door. Place your ruler on the last line and then bend the door over it. Repeat the same process with the rest of the doors. Gently erase any pencil markings on the front piece. Align the front and the back piece because we need to know where to decorate on the back piece. So open each of the doors and then sketch around inside of them. And this is where transferring the image onto the back piece comes in handy, because you know where the image is and now the outlines will help you even more. Add your colors and decorate within these outlines. There's no need to waste your paint by decorating the whole thing. You can write a cute message, draw something, or just add stickers like I have. We need to attach the front piece and the back piece together, so stick some foam stickers all around the edges of the back piece. Because of all the watercolor, my front piece is a bit wobbly and uneven, so I'm adding big foam stickers onto the middle of the card where there are no doors. Align the 2 pieces before pressing down to make them stick properly. There are so many ways of creating this card and so many surprises you can hide behind the doors, so just let your imagination loose and get creative. Now for the random question of the day, what quote do you try to live by? I have a lot of quotes, but the one that's in front and center is "Dreams don't work unless you do." So what about you? What kind of quotes do you live by? Now I hope you enjoy watching, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for more inspiration or card DIYs, check out these videos here, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!